Yeah. This is the P80 selfie mini stick from Remax. It comes with a Bluetooth camera, aluminium alloy rods, open with one click, quadruped bracket. You can see the specs. It's made of aluminium alloy. This is how you can fit it easily on your back. It's only 11.7 cm, and this is how it looks like when you have your phone on remote control, which you can charge using a Type-C cable. There's only one click below to open this. We have a USB-C cable, a user guide, keychain or keyring, and a carabiner, QC pass. So this is the device itself, lanyard, and you can also open this. You can actually fit a pretty big phone here. So you can also, of course, turn it. And over here, this is a button. It's like a trigger for your camera. Interesting. One click below, it will open up. Wow. Okay. There's some steel here. Yep. Yep. Not plastic. Definitely not plastic. Cold to the touch as well. On the table, it looks like this. You can loosen it. Then after that, you can just place it this way and tighten it back so it will stay. Oh, nice. And put it this way. Wow, it's pretty stable. Yeah, normally if I put it 90 degrees, it will just topple down. Yeah, but this is just nice. Okay, pretty good stand. Actually, very good stand, I would say. For those who are using, maybe doing it live using this is very nice. A very, very good tripod. In fact, yeah. You can actually push it higher, and you can also use this. Oh, I think this is removable, right? If you take this out, yeah, this is the one I'm talking about. This is a camera button where you can connect to your phone and use it as a remote control for your camera. Look at that. Yeah, pretty nice. I'm using just this to take a picture. So again, let's click a picture and look back. Nice. Very, very easy to connect. And you can also put it here. Yep. So let's click here. And I can take a picture. Simple, right? Just need to push it up. Okay. And to make it longer, you just need to pull. And this is the longest. Okay, it's about 30 cm. Yep. From here until here is 30 cm. Shorten it. You'll have just about 12 cm. And you can just close it this way. Rotate it. Loosen this. Close this. And you're done. Okay, let's see how you can do this. This ring here can actually comes in here, and this carabiner comes in here. You can hang this on your back. Yeah. P80 selfie mini stick. I didn't read the manual and I can figure this out pretty easily. So thanks for watching, and